As many of y'all know, we've been trying to develop a system of equipment that will produce quality videos for an affordable cost. So today we are going to be trying the Synco Lapel wireless microphone. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have anything you want me to try, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you could, give this video a big thumbs up. It would certainly help out the channel. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Grab my knife real fast. And we will see what all comes in here. Now this, I got this system off of Amazon, and so I've been wanting to try to find a microphone. This one's good on the camera, but it's just not everything I need. So with this we got a transmitter, a receiver, a lavalier mic, I hope I said that right, output cable 1 and 2, belt clips, storage bag, and a cold shoe adapter, which is good because I have a hot shoe on here. It should work for that. Of course it won't charge, but that's normal. So we got noise reduction, 50-meter working distance, switchable channels, DPS technology, wireless transmission, and high fidelity audio. Okay. And like I said, I got this off Amazon. There will be a link in the description down below. I do make a small commission off that link. If you want to purchase off there, it will certainly help out the channel. Now let's see what we get. Okay, so it comes in this cute little case. And we got all of our cords in here. Our cold shoe adapter right there. We got all of our lapel mic and cords. Our instruction booklet, we got the transmitter and the receiver, and they are labeled right there and right there. Okay, so we'll set that over there. Let's look at this. Alright, so it does need batteries, and let's see, it does have a battery indicator, so that's good. That lets you know, and it takes both take 2 AA batteries, so I'm going to go get the batteries put in, and then I will hook it up and we will test it against this audio. So I will be back. Alright, so this is the mic test, and I have it clipped on. It looks like it's working. Of course I'll have to wait and see what the video looks like, but so this is the first test. I'm going to go back there. I'm going to have the kids talk in the other room and see if we could pick it up, and will cause a little bit of a disruption. I do currently have some background noise, so I'll be able to determine if I can hear that in the video, and I'll let y'all know. But let's go get the kids to make some more. Alright, so we got the kids in the right outside the door, and we're gonna have them talk to see if it can pick it up.
So, I like the sword fight game on Fortnite. Yes, because like you could get like a burst and other guns that. And
it's looking like from the camera that it is picking it up. We are going to see how it sounds over my voice or under my voice, or you know, the type of distortion that it gets or the quality of sound gets. But yeah, so we will be back. Okay, so this is on volume 5. Now let's turn it down to volume 4. And we'll see how this one sounds and the kids talking. And see if they can talk over us. And then we will go ahead and continue to go on through all the volumes. On the mic, there's 5 channels on the mic and 5 channels on the camera or on the transmitter. So we'll do the mic first, then we'll do the transmitter, then we'll do them together just to see the variations of volumes that we can get. So that was number 4, and then let's go number 3. So this is number 3 without the kids talking and with the kids talking, and this is only on the mic. Okay, and then we will go on to number 2. This is number 2 on the mic, and then with the kids talking. You gotta love my children. They're so supportive. All right, so that is number 2. Hey, you guys. Okay, so that was number 2. Now let's go on to number 1 on the mic. And we are on the lowest setting on the mic, so we are going to see how this sounds with the kids talking. And I can see that we're kind of picking up their sound, but not as much. So now we are going to turn this one back up to our base level, or our highest level, which is 5. Okay, so we got that on 5, and we are going to change the transmitter down to 4, and the children are going to continue talking, and I absolutely love my children. They're so supportive of everything. All right, so that was number 5 on the mic and 4 on the transmitter. Now let's go 3 on the transmitter. So we got 3 on the transmitter and 5 on the mic, so we can see what the difference is like that. And now we are going on to 2 on the transmitter and 5 on the mic. So we will let the kids go ahead and talk to there. And now we are going to go to the lowest one on the transmitter. And this is the lowest setting on the transmitter with the kids talking in the background. Okay, now let's go to 1 on both of them, and we will, well, actually, let's start at 5 since we've been starting at 5. All right, so 5 on both of them. We've already tested this one. It was the first one we tested. So let's go 4 on both. All right, so that's 4 on both, and we're going to have the kids talking and see how that sounds. And I'm just talking in a regular indoor voice. And then now we are going to go to 3 on both of them. And that is 3 on both of them, and then with the kids talking. And so now we're going to put it on 2 on both of them and see how that sounds with the normal voice, and then also with the kids talking in the background. So now we are going to go ahead and we are going to turn them both to 1. So this is on the lowest setting on the mic and the receiver, and so we got both of them on 1, and this is what it sounds like. And with the kids talking in the backward, this is how, or in the background, this is how it sounds. So I did go ahead and I listened to the highest one on both of them, and to me it was a little too much. So we are going to go and we're going to find a sweet spot and see how each one sounds, and I will come back. Is it recording? Okay, so tumbleweed. It is so windy out here. Okay, so we are outside, and as you can see, it's really windy. So we are going to do a wind test at the same time as we're doing a distance test. So, ooh. Okay, so I am about 3 feet away from my daughter, and I'm going to continue to back up and continue. And I found the sweet spot to be channel 4 on both receiver and mic on the inside. So I'm going to continue to back up. I'm about 5-6 feet away, and then I'm going to continue going, continuing, and we are going to see how far it picks up. And so I'm going to turn around and I'm going to continue walking, and she's just going to film, and we are going to see exactly about how long that this mic will reach, if we have some great distance with it, or if it starts to fade out. So I hope you can still hear me at this point, but I am about okay, so I'm going to continue on. I'm going to go to about the alleyway right here behind this field, and I can still see you, but she's not that close. She's about maybe 7 or 8 yards away. at this point. So let's see if we can pick it up all. I don't really see us needing to pick it up from all the way back here. I don't really see us having to go through this type of activity ever, but just for review's sake, I wanted to exactly how great the transmission was at distances, and so I just wanted to ensure that we could possibly get the footage if we needed to. Say I needed to go do something or something. I'm not sure why that would happen. You never know. So let's go back to where my daughter is, and that was a pretty good distance away. The furthest I ever see myself being from the camera while I'm working or doing something or showing y'all how to do something or anything like that is probably about maybe 10 feet, like probably not that far away. I mean, I don't really do a whole lot of huge projects, mostly it's small projects and product testing, but we will take this footage inside and we will see what what it looks like and sounds like, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. All right, so final thoughts on the Synco Lavalier Lapel mic, wireless. I like it. I like the way it functions. It does say a working distance of 50 meters. I don't necessarily see it going that far as it did cut out, but I could have been 50 meters away. My depth perception ain't that good, but I can tell you that it worked far enough to where you could still hear me at the end of my little segment, but you could hear it cutting out just a little bit. The transmission's great. The sound on all levels, you can get pretty good quality sound. I found a sweet spot to be at 4.4, level 4 on the transmitter and receiver as a sweet spot for indoors and outdoors. It worked pretty good outdoors as well. It did block out a lot of the wind. We had a whole lot more wind than what you can hear on the footage. Let's see, what else? It picks up quality sound. I mean, it's pretty good. It's more detailed than the camera, but I mean, the camera works too, but so I'm actually really excited for it. And if y'all would like to order one, there will be a link in the description box. I do get a small commission from the Amazon links. It's one of the lower costing systems that I found, but it actually has really good quality. It takes 4 AA's, 2 for the receiver and 2 for the transmitter. It comes with the microphone and the cold shoe, which my camera does have a hot shoe, but we don't need it to connect to the power on the camera, so that's fine. That's what I wanted, was a cold shoe. And then it also comes with the case. So very good system for the money that it costs. Every other one I was looking at was upwards of $150, $200, $300, $400. So I'm glad that I found this one at $79. So this is definitely Stephanie approved. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And as usual, if you have anything you want to see, just leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all have a great day. Bye.